Hello everyone, and here we are back on the second episode where we trying to fill up the oil on my M57 3-liter diesel one. And here we are back under the hood. So in the last episode we changed the air filter, we changed the fuel filter, we fill up the oil with a 5-liter. And we clean there's something, we're checking the oil leaks, and there is there. So the next one is oil filter, but the problem was the oil housing cap was broken. Here was broken. I already tried to glue it with the super glue, but it is how it is. And so it is how it is. The delivery guy came, and he bring me the other one, the brake booster that I ordered. The second one. And where is the there is the label, which one is like pretty much same like my one. I don't know whether you can see or not, but it's clean and nice and super and fantastic, so I will change this one. But the problem with the oil filter cap, he didn't bring the oil filter cap. They're out of order. I need to wait for the new order or something, and it will take a couple of weeks. And so I need to get out this car and fill up with the oil and put the oil filter in. So I will try to fix this issue for short term use. We'll try to glue with soda and super glue this housing. Actually, I don't have any other chance, but I think we can fill this up with like super glue, and then I don't know how it works, but with the baking soda, it's like hardening together and making okay. Well, so the idea is we take the baking soda, put it somewhere, like a little bit like that, and then the super glue, and start to fill up the cracks. And I don't have all this part what need to be here, then it needs to be like a filled, and then by the way, I wanna do the thing, the old glove, to put over this one to not the soda to let in the housing. Just I'll cover this one with the old glove. Show this one. Where is the middle finger? So to let in the dust in the housing. Because the broken is this the thing on the top. I don't know. There don't looks like some ventilation. I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, this one broke off, and I needed just blow away the excess. Take a compressed air, clean. And that's it. Now let it dry for a minute, and then with some file or something, take the shape back to the original hexagon shape. A little bit of the glue more. A little bit of soda more. And that's it. made a little like a workstation. All this was filming for me was a bit too much. And it looks like brand new, and actually don't need to change anything. Technical control couldn't see this, and they said yes, this good one, pass, perfect. This one is dried out and looks pretty nice. It's roughly in a shape, and there is no leaks and no nothing. Then it's all right. So it's a time for put back the oil filter. There's the oil filter and the O-rings. So change the washer. This O-ring. So this one. It's kind of stiff. Oh, it's alright. It's here. And now I'm doing like that. I'm like lifting it up and roll it like around, and then it takes the place. A little bit oil it up. Which way up? They're both ways the same. Like this one, need to push in like this, and then this one. It's going in very, very nice. Not big resistance, and that's it. And then right on 25 Newton meters. I will put down 2 hand meters. I'm gonna be alright. I will change this one later anyway, because I don't trust this, you know, silly Saudi thing, and I'm gonna change it later anyways, because it's not available at the moment. Then I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah, the filter is hand tight. So 25 hand meters. I need to take out all this, you know, rubbish what I already put in. You know, if there is some dripping or something, I don't wanna. It's dripping down, and just I'm usually stuffing in, you know, so much, you know, paper, then all the excess oil can. So there is fine. Everything is clean and nice. There is no much leak. So there is something. This is the pump, I guess, or something. Yeah, no, this one is like little bit with the oil from the other side. Yes. Okay, here I need to probably refill a little bit. Fill up, because I put in just 5 liters. I filled up just 5 liters, and 5 liters. Clean the rag. So I clean the dipstick with the rag and check the level. And 5 liters is right on the lowest mark. It will be circus with no funnel. Okay. Plus 1 more liter, just like a 6 liters. More time. How it looks like now. Here actually nothing changed. All this liter, where it's going, how it's going, in all the way. Take it out. Yeah, and it's nearly to the highest mark. Then it's mean we can start the engine. I'm going to check one more time for the leaks. Of course, there is these major leaks, but you know, there is oil is not dripping from anywhere, not from the. Can see. Yeah, yes, can see. There is no sign of oils outside, like the new one. This one, everything checked. Here's checked. There's everything is fine. We can start like priming the fuel system. Here's the funny things going on. I just like lifting up the jack a little bit to get out the jack stand from under, and the self-leveling. I was opening the doors, how you've seen before opening the doors, and the self-leveling suspensions like start to pumping the air in the bags. start to level by itself, something to do, still like on. I don't know you gonna hear it or not. Now it's switched off, but I will let it go down on the ground. No, it doesn't switching on. It's one of my fancy keys. So, what's going on here? Switch on the... and it's priming. Check headlights. I don't have headlights at all. I'm gonna go there and check, maybe there is some major leak. It's pumping very, very hard. Here's the bubbles going. Maybe you can see. Some freaky noises. Bubbles is leaving. Engine bay. Here no leaks. It's good. This pipe looks like it can be a little bit longer. Feels like it can be a little bit longer because it's like very straight, like tight. Okay, the pump switched off. Alright, switch on again. Quarter a tank. Okay, let's start. Oh, it starts straight away. No problem. Wunderbar! Das ist wunderbar! It works, it makes some noises. This is all kind of noises making, there is no leakage. Alright. I don't want to die. I'm gonna switch it off. I don't want to die here. So after the running, we can check the oil level. And what we can see over here, there is like the upper mark, the upper mark, the lowest mark, and there is like one more mark, like small. I even don't know what this is the mark or not, but it's to the here, under the minimum, and I like to feel it up. Usually, I like to feel it up to the 3/4, maybe something like of this. You know, this line. If you take it to 3/4, then you know upper 3/4, like. So the update for now. I already filled up with the 7 liters, and there is still, you know, the bare minimum, and then I check, you know, the little bit of the liter Touring, then some very clever people told me then there is a more than one possibility, then there is a 6.5 liter or 7.8 liters. This is the maximum what can take, and probably this is the engine where the capacity of the oil is 7.8 liters, and I need 1 more liter to fill it up. Alright, and the oil is like in. So then I'll already write the sticker, just need to peel it off. And I'm gonna put it over, like glue it over, stick it over the previous one. The next on the list is the front headlights, who doesn't exist. They exist. I get them out, I took them apart, and I polish them, not to polish them like with a sandpaper. They scratch the other one, you know, and then I like take a clear lacquer and made a mistake, you know, and I need to redo it. But this one later, other one looks a bit different. It's like with the small cracks you can see here, and I don't know how to get them out. Maybe you can tell me how I can restore these pretty nice headlights, you know, to the best shape. But I wanna, you know, use the hella, where you can see the hella glasses, you know, the lenses, because I don't want to use these aftermarkets. I like to get something, you know, they're pretty nice, and but for now I just, you know, put them back like they are now. Change them, you know. And there is well missing this is end, or not? Yeah, there's missing some bit. But it fits quite well, I guess. So it's going to be on some glue again. So here I made something with a, you know, with a silicone type glue. Both of the headlights are ready to install. Now we're gonna put back the lights. You know, we're gonna start with the right one. Okay, here is the thing. Again, the gloves. Take off the gloves from the connections. I always putting some gloves, something around the connection, because you know the dirt, the water is or some moisture can get in the connections and then start the problems with the lights. And already, like, here is something ripped on the glove. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 connections, and fifth here is the turn signal, I guess. Put the light back. I already want to connect the turning signal. It's much easier here. And then the light sliding in. Here is the other plugs. 1, 2, 3. And where's the fourth going? And here is the place for the wing. There the plastic bit is going inside here in a wing. And then 4 bolts. 1, 2 here, 2 here on the top, 1 here in the corner, and other one here on the corner down there. So one is going in here, The other one is going here. The third 3. Okay, here's tricky place. Third, and I'm gonna get the fourth. And fourth over here where is the blue plug, and you can see maybe there, here where I'm fingering. There's the fourth, and yeah, the connections, and that's it. The light is on. So yeah, and the other side is nearly just a little bit here and a little bit there. Here's something not matching because this side probably was damaged. So as well, there I said the 4 bolts, but there is the thing, the 2 of the bolts is from the each side. 2 of them is like the bigger, and 2 of them is like bit different. There is a 4, but you know, on each side there the 2 is different, another 2 is different, like a smaller ones and like a little bit bigger ones. So the smaller ones is coming here on the top, and these, you know, the bulky ones coming and going down there. One more thing, I usually using, you know, the small magnet, because they're in the places I can't reach, I can just, you know, put the bolt in. Like with the magnet, put it in a place and lose the bolt. Take a light, take a small magnet again, put your nose into the and try to reach the small bolt and get it back out. Put it back on the magnet, put it into place, turn it, and take away the magnet. And the other one, the same thing. Then 8mm socket. I usually take this one the long extensions, because this one is quite far inside. And there is well some torque speculations, no, but some torque bolts, the small ones. Here in the corner we have a problem. 1, 2, 3, and 4th. And now check the bonnet, you know, the bonnet lines up, everything is fine. So now after I put in the lights, I wanna close the bonnet and check how it's, you know, fits. Okay, close it like this one. And now, and just drop it. Alright, and it's closed, and the lights looks... Okay, now I need to get out the car from the garage, because another BMW coming. Come on, let's go out with this one, take it out and put another in, and here is my friend's E46 Touring 2-liter diesel M57 engine, and he have a problem he can't start it in the mornings, you know, very rough start, you know, sometimes when it's colder outside, then he can't start at all. We're gonna check it out, what's happening with this car, and yeah. But this is for now. That's it. I'm gonna prepare for this lovely Beamer BMW to get it back on the daily routine, you know, start and stop to get happy the owner. See you soon.